Dear Kunjans and parents, on the occasion of 61st Founders Day of our great school, I convey my good wishes to you all and your family members. It is for the second consecutive year that we have not been able to celebrate this red letter day in a grand manner due to the restrictions imposed by the COVID-19 virus. During this period, we have lost some of our Kunjan brothers and their family members. I convey my condolences to the families and muster the courage to bear this colossal loss. Dear parents, during this period, classes were being held in the virtual mode. It is pertinent to mention that besides the academic classes, our cadets have actively participated in various events through the virtual mode. It is a matter of pride for me to mention here that 47 of our previous batch cadets have qualified in the NDA written exam held in April this year. I wish the boys all the very best for the SSB leg. From this academic session, 10 girl cadets will be also inducted into the school. Necessary ADAM staff and accommodation has been readied for them. Dear Kunjans and parents, it's almost 4 years I have completed my tenure in the school, and soon, in a couple of months, I will be superannuating from service on 30th November this year. During this period, a large number of infrastructural projects have been executed. Besides infrastructural development, my primary focus has been to build the personality of cadets so that they can give their very best at the SSB. The cadets have also performed well in the class 10th and 12th board exams. Our mission is to create conscious and humane students. We now have to gear up to the challenges imposed on us post-COVID era. Together we will steer through the rough waters and achieve newer glories. I pray to Almighty to wish you all good health. Long live the Kunjan spirit. Jai Hind.